All right, check, check, check. All right, let's get started. So once you download the JetBrains Pycharm zip folder, we're gonna right click, extract all. Not gonna change anything, we're just gonna extract here. Now the Dracula Pro.zip is a theme file, or a theme that we're not gonna extract, but I will show you all how to install that as well. One second. Okay. All right, so we're gonna double click Pycharm here. All right, next, next. We're gonna select all of these options. All of them. Check all those boxes. Click next. Not going to change anything. We're just going to click install. All right, and we'll wait for this to install. Now, this hacked version of PyCharm is only available to the users of the Telegram group if you like to have access. The link to the Telegram group will be in the description. All right, so we're going to choose I want to manually reboot later. We're going to click finish. Then here, we're going to go to our crack folder, double click. We're going to go to scripts, double click. We're going to go to install all users.vbs. These are script files. Install all users.vbs. We're going to right click on that file. We're going to click open. It may take a few seconds to execute, yada, yada, yada. We're going to click OK. Wait for it to say done. Hold on, Terry. Still waiting for it to say done. There we go. All right, so now we click here. Now there is a serial number somewhere around here. Gonna let it open. I confirm. Click continue. Data sharing. Don't send. We'll wait for it to open. It's gonna ask us to activate. Where is it? How to install? Okay. So this is the serial number. Okay. So once we're at this screen here, we're gonna keep it on activate Pycharm. We're gonna select where it says get license from. We're gonna select activation code. And then the code is this long string here. We're going to Control C for copy. Click in here. Control V for paste. Click activate. Okay. Good till 2099. We'll click close. And you have a hacked version of Pycharm. Now, once you download the Dracula Pro theme, let's just expand this out a little bit. We're going to go down here to plugins. Up here to this little gear up here, click that. Install plugin from disk. Now I know that the zip file is in our downloads folder, so it'll just be easier if we just did this. We're going to go to our downloads folder. You have to remember where you downloaded your files. So here we're just going to click in this the address bar or not. Hold on, let me see. This PC, and then go to our downloads folder. Oh, it won't let us do it. Always difficult. Okay, well, let's see. Let's see if we could just navigate. Okay, so our C drive. Our C drive. Now to get to the downloads folder, if you don't have access to the, or if you can't get to it from like your, this is called a Windows Explorer, where it shows like your files and folders. To get there from here, C drive, users, your username. You should know the username. And then here, downloads, DraculaPro.zip. Click OK. Third party plugins privacy note. Click accept. That's just letting you know that the plugin is from a third party. Be careful, of course. This is a retail file. Nothing to worry about. Okay, so it's installed and enabled. So it won't you won't see it immediately, but you have to click like if you click plugins, it'll reboot with the code with the colors, and then you could go down here to customize, and then of course my favorite is Bluffy, like a very purpley theme. Okay, of course you could choose the normal Dracula Pro. Blade gives green. Of course, Bluffy we already seen is more purple. Lincoln is like a bright orange, yellowish kind of whatever you I don't know. Brown, yellow, tan, however you want to go. Uh, Morbius is more like a um, I don't know what this color is. I guess kind of like a it's not even a burgundy. It's kind of like a reddish purple. I like this. Scott Morbius would be my second choice. Then of course Van Helsing is kind of like more of a blue. All right. So once you have Pycharm and everything selected, you are all set to go. You have a hacked version of Pycharm, and you have the Dracula Pro theme installed, and you are good to go. Congratulations.